Hi everyone, I'm Tejaswini Kuttam. Today I'm going to make SA3-EV. So now I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So the actual task of SA3-EV is we have to create a string attribute and an integer attribute and three attributes in the total. And we have to implement the border clause with encrypting migration and it should be in the please file codes. So now I'm going to open my Ubuntu here. So I'm going to open my CD workspace in here. So I'm cloning. So git clone. So I have a link which is on the GitHub on the main page. So code. So I'm copying this. I'm going to paste it in my Ubuntu. So I'm giving the name. It was the bags. Okay. Is it just a name, right? So I'm going to give the essay, enter. So now cd essay, software engineering. mm, Enter. So now I'm going to create attributes. So Rails G model, a flag, flags. So it's a name of the bag is a string one and weight of a bag, weight, right? It's an integer, and I'm going to get the location of the bag is string. Okay. So now I'm going to keep enter. So these are all the dependencies. So now, yep, we got these. Um, oh, so we can create a bag instead of bags. So can we go? So can we resolve it? Let's try rates G model bag name string weight integer location string. Okay, rail sheep model bag name string weight integer location string. So let's try now. Random string weight. Bag is either already used in your application or resort in 2000s. Oh, okay. Let's continue with this. So now, yeah, I'm going to open my Visual Studio, Visual Studio. So I'm going to show you all the DP migrate. So we have the bags RB. So here's the bags RB. So see, we got the string name, integer weight, list string location. So now I'm going to app and models. Okay, bag.rb. See here, we just have two lines. So after running the Rails DB migrate reset, what we gonna see? Let's see. I'm closing this now. So now, uh, Rails DB migrate reset. Rails DB migrate reset. So I'm going to run this. Yes, we got the all. We dropped database and we dropped to the and we created the database here. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So now I'm going to Visual Studio IM enter. So let's see. Before we don't have these lines, so we just have only two class and then so we got all these ID, location, and name and weight when it was created, the date and time, and when it was updated with the date and time. So now mm, I'm going to dp sleeps.rb. So yes, I'm going to remove all these. So I need to copy paste these. I want to create all five attributes, right? So paste it. So it was bag, right? So they H bag. Mm, so we gave name of the bag, weight of the bag, and what's the location? Location of the bag. So name of the bag is uh um Puma, and the weight is 1.5, and the location is Chicago. Okay, so mm, so I'm going to copy these because why? Because I need to create a shit, man. So, So I need to create five of more like this. So I'm copying these. So instead of Puma, I'm keeping mm, right. So I created five databases, different attributes here. So now mm, I'm going to save this. So uh, now I'm going to close in this because I need to enter the Rails DP migrate, Rails DP migrate, reset, space, DP, seed. So Rails DP, Rails DP migrate, reset, DP, and save. So enter. So yes, now the model files was unchanged. Now I'm going to do files console now. So so now bag.org. Yes, bags.org. So whatever I listed there, so I got it all bags 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with IDs. So now I'm going to do, you can see here. So I got all the list, all the attributes here. So I created here now. So I migrated here now. I'm going to exit. Mm, so I'm going to open again the Visual Studio. Okay. So I'm going to the config uh, config routes.rb. So now I'm going to do backspace here. Mm, so I'm going to index page. So I'm copying these two Visual Studio. So let's so to do's means the bags and the to do's means the bags and the to do's. So this was the Lens application get bags to bags index and the bags. This will show the N. So I'm saving this Control plus S. So now I'm I'm going to close this and Rails Rails routes RUTS space Galaxy. So I'm going to the run this. Yeah. So now I got the all get passport delete all keys like this. So now I'm going to generate controller. Okay, so Rails G control controller controller uh, mm, so see controller to do's means X. So capital B A G, yeah, Rails G controller. So bags I'm keeping S. Yes. So now I created all these. So now I'm going to open the Visual Studio again. Enter. So I'm going to the app controllers. Oh, app controllers. So in app controllers, we have the bags controller.rb. So here, mm, so I need to enter the which one the ref. Mm, mm, Let me think of this. Copy to clipboard. Mm, State. So now def index. So those means the bags, and the total capital B bag. order, order dot bags or dot order. I think we get the name. So now I need to say that I have to keep bag. mm, bag bag dot order. I think the so name. So we have the name on our attributes. So name. So now bags the bag dot order the name. Mm, index and so I'm going to save this control plus yes and tax controller dot rb. So now I'm going to so now I'm going to add views app views. So here I have to create new file with the index because these we created the index file, but it we cannot create the HTML according to the index. So we have to drag HTML file with the index, then we can pull the data into the index to the HTML tag. So now index dot HTML. I'm creating HTML dot tag dot ERB now. So enter. We got the new file here. So now I need to copy the this code. uh, Copy to clipboard. So I'm going to paste over here. Okay. So now I need to change like two items instead of these the bags. Actually, as bags. And so now the title which is given by so it's a name. We given three attributes, right? Name and due date means instead of the we given wait WIGHT wait and one more file is TH we create a ex- location. So I'm closing with the bag. So now this is the head. I'm done with the head. So now I need to go to the body. So it's a to-dos means bags, bags, to do bag. So now, so to do dot title means it's a name dot, oh, sorry, bag dot name and here bag dot. So it's a date, year and time. So that's why they given these. So we don't have to keep all that stuff. So we can remove those and I can add instead of these, I can add the weight, WIGHT, bag weight, and I'm creating one more tag because we have three attributes, right? So copy, uh, here, I'm going to paste. So instead of weight, I'm going to give bag location, the bag dot location. So I'm closing those. Okay. So now is hand tag. So mm, I'm going to save this. Control press S. So now I'm closing the Visual Studio to enter the new line in my Ubuntu. So now I'm going to perform the Rails S RARS. Enter. So yes, we got the minimum. I got the minimum threads 5 and maximum threads 5. So I got it. So now I'm going to localhost, which I need to search as a flags. Mm, localhost 3000. Right. Enter. We got the error. Which one is so bags? Kept the bag or order name. So instead of things. So now it's a missing template which is around here. So now I'm going to figure it out. So mm, I'm going to figure it out. So I created HTML, but it's not showing. So we will go to back to that. I'm going to mm, 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 back. Tractor source around line 4. Tractor source. Mm, shoulder, back, back, each shoulder, back. Mm-hmm. Proud. So when I control app controllers, bags controller arbitrarily, class, bags controller, application controller, def index, bags, bag dot all dot order dot name. So render index. Okay, and okay. The next views index. Hmm, index dot html dot erb. And then next bags bhs capital. Okay, the head. So name, weight, location, location, body. So here bags, each two, each two, bag, bag, person tag. Next, bag name, next bag weight, bag location, and అంతే కదా. Okay, control plus yes, control plus S. I'm closing this. It's running. But computer finder using template, using temp bags or index application with HTML. Yeah, we are mm, controller. Mm, 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 Visual Studio. Mm, name the week location. Where is no control press S. I created the index.html.erb file, but I don't know. Okay. Index.html dot arg. Mm, okay. Mm, paste. Control plus S. Index.html.erb. Control plus S. So now, let's try now. So control press. Mm, I'm reloading the page. Yes. Now I got it. Whatever I created, the five attributes, the American, the Puma, the bags list, the spirit, Under Armour, umbrella, and it's a weight of those and the location of these, uh, location of the bag. So I got the output of these. When I get to the create on the index.html ERB on the bags. So so now I was completed um, with these. So now I used to create the I created the this index page with this. Now I need to create the display of the every attribute of every single record. So I used to provide these things. Uh, so so we got the output here. So but uh the he said he wants only the two attributes like name and weight. No need of the three attributes is slow. So I can show the third attribute as a link however he wants. So now I can go to Visual Studio and I can remove whatever he wants. Mm, mm. So it's saying right, he wants to remove three, right? So I'm removing these and the location here. I'm removing these. So now I'm saying these control plus S. Now I'm going back to here. So see, you can see it just got I reloaded again. Then I got only names and the weights here. The location it was disappeared again. So now I'm going to do um, so I'm going here to add like so now I'm going to do the bags control here. So now how I created this I can okay. So it's a index page tag. So now I'm writing the show page. Yeah, is the show page. So I'm opening the link. Yeah, is the This is the link. This is the code for the show page, which is visible. So now I'm control press and copying this to clipboard. So now I'm going to Visual Studio. So I'm pasting it now. I can change the to-dos instead of like bag, instead of bags. Now, so here every when we run in the index, so every attribute it's saved as a id. So in before you can see the id1, id2, id3, the names, tag names. So now in the show page it's created as a id. So now, so in the place of to do's, I'm letting the bags again, bags and show, and here bag. So now, so it's assigned one and two and three are the ID numbers, which is related to the bags numbers. It will be easy to display as a routes. So now I'm saving this. Mm, Next. Mm, Now I need to do. Now I saved it in the routes pane. Next I'm going to the bags controller.rb. So now, mm, so how I add an index? I need to add show page in the same way as an index. So now, uh, copy. So here before, in the index page uh we recorded like all bags for all, but in the show page we have to record for only particular one particular bag. So now we have a separate code for these. I need to get it for, yeah, sheet def show. See, is a code def show to do find parents id. So I will copy and paste this here. Copy to clipboard. So now, so instead of these, mm, paste. So instead of to do, we need to keep that, and here bag. So show bag, because the bag find parents and the colon ID. So so these will fetch the record based on the ID. So now So again, I'm going to the batch.rb. Mhm. So now let's use. So we have to add one new file, which is show dot html dot erb. Enter. So now, so we created show dot html dot erb file. So, so now we have to is the view template of the show dot html dot erb. Mm, So is the HTML show template. Copy to clipboard. Uh, I'm going to the Visual Studio and I'm going to store .html.erb. So I'm pasting this here. Mm, So here I'm changing to row instead of tag, and the title it was a name, right? So bad name, and the page you and to do right. It was the bag today. Um, bag. Mm, I'm removing this. So I'm opening the another list here. So you and enter. So the list li. Mm, so so I'm opening the list li here. Li. So here the bag dot bag dot Wait, wait, wait. And the list was closed. And one more we gave right. The one more attribute was location. So copy. So next enter, paste. Uh, so now it was a location and was so an order list. So so I'm saving this. So this was it was a header and the bag name. Okay. There was H1 and list. Bag weight. Okay. And bag location. Okay. So I'm saving this in the show HTML file. So I'm giving another list to keep as a headline in the local host. So so I'm going to my local host, which is was so I'm keeping slash slash one backslash one enter. So it's becoming a error. So we have a error on the so we have an error undefined undefined. So the bag find parents ID. So now so I'm going back to Visual Studio. So I'm going to routes. So instead of keeping mm, so we got the undefined local variable bags controller. So showing it was the wrong one. So we need to check here. So it's a bag controller. So bag find parents ID. So I need to check on the show show page. So that show bag bag. equals to yes. So here I need to specify the bag balance ID. Okay, so control plus S. I'm saving this. So now I'm going back to my localhost. So yes, now I got it. See the ID one, I got it. Puma one, Chicago. It was in Chicago, right? So now, so it was ID one, right? So the first one which we seeded here, it was the Puma, right? So it was a Puma white one, and the location of the Puma was Chicago. So we got it. Now, so now we can, if I keep two here, see what we kept in second one Under Armour, the weight one, and it was in the location of New York. So we got changed, but uh, see, and so but it's not way to click every time we have to go there and click 3, 4, 5 ID numbers. We have to change. So we have to keep instead of those, we have to apply a link for that. So for that, we have to display the link. So now I need to, so I'm going to keep the link tag. So I'm going back to the show page. So now uh, it's the link tags, whatever we have to keep there. So now, so this is the link, this is the link tag I'm copying. So we have to keep these to the link page. Sorry, we have to keep these link to the index page, which is affixed to the pro page also. So I'm going to index dot uh, morals. So I'm going to index.html.erb. So now here, so here we are creating one more T T T. So I'm copying here the link whichever I copied from there. Oh, so now link to Dodo. So I'm keeping. So I'm keeping actually directly helps to the bag. So now uh, I'm going to keep link to show. So link to. So I remove the title. So link to show page. We are directly redirecting to show page, right? So it's a bad bad path, and directly we are doing to this. for IVs, right? So, uh, so I'm keeping the bag here. So, being doctor underscore bag here, bag. Okay. So, I'm saving this. So, I'm going to the local host again and I'm going, I'm reloading this page. I'm reloading this page again. Mm, local, local host, local host, 3000, just bags, bags. See, oh, now you can see here, we got the show option here. So now, uh, we got the show option on the each bag, like see, American. We got the shows, see, and it's validating the points whichever I kept here. So the highlight, which one, the upside tag, the name and the weight, it doesn't elaborate to here. So now uh, we we need to keep a empty header for this, or else I can keep any of those, any of the uh, whatever the location. I can keep the location tag on those here. Like so here, I open the th. I'm keeping the show close th. Mm, I'm saving this. I'm saving this. So now, so now, see, I can you can get the show here. So we got the show link here. So now when we get show, we got these. So but we can't go it back. So we can add it to the uh so I'm going to the show at ARB. So now I'm opening one paragraph tag. Enter. So I'm opening uh, so I'm copying from index these these thing. Copy. and I'm pasting it here. Link to paste. So, so I'm clicking back page. I'm pasting the link here. So now I can keep the show get back, get back. I'm keeping get back. So back part. Mm-hmm. So now I'm I'm keeping here on bags the underscore path. No need of keeping this back. So now link to get back. So get back bags path. Mm, okay. I'm saving this. So now I'm going back to here. So I'm refreshing this. So see, I got the get back. So if I keeping it back, giving to the no, back page. So now the spirit show. I'm getting the spirit. The weight was 3 kgs of the bag, and it was in the location of New Jersey. And I'm keeping the get back. Then I got it here. So these are the show pages. So so this was the so these as path is a helper path, which is get back to you those. So now this was the bags which weight and I created a show page. So I'm keeping show. See, Puma. I got the name, the weight and the location and I'm keeping the get back. See, I got the all five attributes, all three attributes, at least the five category. So I got it. See, sure. So I'm opening the fifth record. So I kept in order, right? So if it was in I was assigned it is in the fifth place. So ID 5. So it opened in the ID 5. So when I get back, see when I get American, it was in the fourth place and but it is I kept in order, right? So it came in the first place American and when I get back, so see, so actually I create I done the creating of these two attribute at least and I created the show with the location where the bags get and and I created the typed the link how to get this, and I done with this. Yeah. Thank you.